2006 Honda CR-V. Piece of shit aftermarket condenser again. Here we go again. Look at that beautiful gap. Can you see that right there? And this is flush. You see it's touching here, not touching here, because the length of the barrel that's going inside that has the O-ring on it is bottoming out. Where they machined this, they did not receive this. The receiving part was not machined deep enough for that to go all the way in. And so this is your quality aftermarket economy parts that the insurance companies are telling body shops to put on cars. And look at this piece of shit. The fin spacing for 1 inch is about 12 fins. This is another one of the shittiest condensers I've ever seen put on a car. I want to find out who's the manufacturer or who's the distributor. You won't find out who the manufacturer is because a lot of the places get them. They're supposed to be, there's no numbers, no tags, no serial number, no identifying of what manufacturer other than this. That little QC, oh, quality control. High quality, that's right, high quality aftermarket economy parts. All right guys, that's all we're doing on that one. Our high quality aftermarket condensers. Yeah, right. Insurance companies, go stuff it.